Ang aktres at celebrity mommy na si Jessie Mendiola masayang ibinahagi sa kanyang latest Instagram post ang iilang wedding photos nila ng mister na si Luis Manzano. Matatandaan na nito lamang nakaraang February 15 nang ikinasal muli sila sa ikalawang pagkakataon. Ginanap ang kanilang second wedding at renewal of vows sa Club Paradise sa Coron, Palawan kung saan dinaluhan ng kanilang pamilya, malalapit na kaibigan at mga mahal sa buhay. Iilan sa mga dumalo sa kanilang wedding ang pamilya ni Jessie Mendiola na hindi nakadalo noon sa unang kasal nila ng mister na si Luis Manzano sa Huwes noong taon ng 2021, naroon din sa wedding ang mga magulang ni Luis Manzano na sina Edo Manzano at Vilma Santos maging ang kanyang stepfather na si Finance Secretary Ralph Recto. Si Baby Isabella Rose Manzano o Baby Peanut ay naglakad naman sa gitna ng aisle bilang isang little bride ng kanyang mommy Jessie Mendiola at daddy Luis Manzano. Matatandaan na ginanap ang unang wedding ng mag-asawang Jessie Mendiola at Luis Manzano sa Batangas noong taon ng 2021 kung saan hindi lahat ng kanilang member ng family ang nakadalo sa kanilang kasal kung kaya't itinuturing ng mag-asawa na special ang kanilang second wedding at renewal of vows dahil lahat na ng member ng kanilang pamilya ay naroon at naka-attend sa kanilang kasal. Kasabay naman ang ibinahaging mga larawan ni Jessie Mendiola mula sa kanilang wedding ay inihayag din nito ang kanyang matamis na mensahe ng pagbati para sa 3rd anniversary celebration nila ng mister na si Luis Manzano. Narito ang kanyang naging buong mensahe. Marriage is not the end of the search for love, it's the end of the search for the person to love. The search for ways to love that person has just begun. I know I said this during our dream wedding last week, but I just wanted to share this again here. During our pre-kana with Father Tito, ang sabi natin hindi na tayo excited ikasal dahil kasal na tayo. Being together for almost 8 years and being married for 3 years have taught me so many things. One of them is that love is not always easy, and that it isn't supposed to be easy at all time. You have to constantly work hard for it, and that's okay. Today, I'm choosing to work harder for your love and happiness. Tulad nga ng sabi ni Father, do not chase excitement, mas important ang desire, the desire to get married over and over again with that person you choose. God has given us our biggest blessing, our little Rosie, and I always say this, kayo lang sapat na. I promise to love our family with all my being. I promise to always choose you over and over again even on our hardest days, and I promise to protect our peace and happiness. I love you Peanut and I love you, my How, forever and always. Happy 3rd anniversary, my love, thank you for always choosing to love me no matter what. I love you with all my heart.